How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting anything to your story. This is perfect if you want to organize content privately or reuse the old photos. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the plus new or the story highlights and then simply select create, or it will directly prompt you to the archive section. Now here is the trick. Instead of using your current story, you can simply go to the archive section, and here, once you are in the archive section, make sure that your old posts or photos are saved in stories archive, and if you don't see, just enable it in settings. And here, once you are in the archive section, simply select the photos or videos that you want to include in the highlight. And now here, once you have selected them, then you can simply give your highlight a new name. So here you can simply give your highlight a new name, and here once you're done with it, you can simply tap on done button, and once you do that, it will be automatically added to your Instagram highlights. And that's it. That's how you can add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.